On this episode, we are going to learn about another useful conditional statement in C programming called the switch case statement. A switch case statement, by using a switch case statement, we can check the different values of a statement into a number of case values. That is the use of a switch case statement. Here is the simple syntax that demonstrate a switch case statement in C programming. First, here is the keyword switch, and here is the statement, and you can put any number of cases in that particular switch body. Here is the opening brackets, and here is the closing bracket of the switch body, and you can put any number of cases into a switch statement. Here is case 1, case 2, and you have to put n number of cases in a switch statement. And finally, there is a default block is also present. The working is very simple. The statement will return a value, and it will check this statement will check each the value from the statement to each of these cases. That means if the return value from the statement is matching with any of the cases, the statement or statements available with that case only executes. That is the use of a switch case statement. If any of the cases does not matches the value from the statement, value returned from the statement, then the default block will execute. Okay. You can get more idea about how to use a switch case statement from the following example. So here I'm going to demonstrate the use of a switch case statement with a complete example. I declare a variable here int x and ask for the user to enter any number. Printf /n enter your choice. Enter your choice. Okay. Read that number into variable x. So using the scanf function, scanf is an integer value, so use %d. Now put the address operator ampersand x. Okay, now we got the value on the x, value on the variable x. Now I'm going to check the value of x into a number of cases using switch case statement. Switch, so put the keyword switch and put that variable here x. It is not an expression. You can put an expression, you can also put an expression. It is just a variable, and I open the brackets for the switch. Now I put my first case 1. If the value of x is 1, then I put some statement here, printf hello from case 1. Hello from case 1. Okay, so if the value of x is 1, we got the output hello from case 1. That means it will compare the value from the variable x to the case 1. Now again I put another case. You can put any number of cases. So here I put another case. It is 2. Printf hello from case 2. Hello from case 2. Okay. I put one more case. It is case 3. Hello from case 3. Okay. Actually, default is optional. Default is actually optional one. So you can avoid the default, but here I put the default also. Default block also. Default printf hello from default block. Okay, you may avoid this default block. So here I just put 3 cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, and finally put the default block. Put a slash n on each cases because we need the statement in a new line. Okay, so I just complete the program and save it. Now compile it. Compilation success. Now run it. Okay, enter a choice. It asks me to enter a choice. So here I'm going to enter the final choice, that means case 3. So I enter value 3. So I got the output hello from case 3, and also I got the statement from the default block also, hello from default block. Okay, again I run the program. Now I put the choice 1. Now the expected output is hello from case 1, but we got output like this: hello from case 1, hello from case 2, and hello from case 3, and hello from default block. Okay, so that is the working of a switch case statement. So we can check what is actually happening here. First it asks me to enter a number. On the second case I put value 1. So now the value of x is 1, and check the value of x with the case 1. Now the value of x is 1 and the value of case is also 1. That means the first case is satisfy the condition. So normally it will execute this statement hello from case 1, but it also execute all the statements available with the subsequent cases without doing any further checking. That is the working of a switch case statement. That means here the first case is just satisfied. We need only this output, but it automatically executes all the statements or block of statements available with the subsequent cases. So it will execute this also, hello from case 2, and again it execute case 3, hello from case 3, and finally it will execute the default block, hello from default block. That is the problem. So we can easily avoid this problem by putting a break statement into individual cases. So here I put a break here. So we already see what is the use of a break statement in C programming. So when you put the break statement, it will exit the entire loop. So here on the first key, if I run the program again and I put the value for the x is 1, so here the first case will satisfy and it will print out this statement hello from case 1. Now it got the break statement, so the entire loop will exit. Here the loop is switch case, so the switch body will exit. So we got the correct output now. So I save the program again, compile it, run it. So now I enter the choice as 1. Now we got the correct output because now we put a break to the first case statement. So the entire loop will exit. So we got the correct output. So if you want to execute only one case at a time, you have to put a break on that particular case. So if I put value for x is 2, I got the output. I got incorrect output like hello from case 2, hello from case 3, and finally I got the statement from default also, because I just put the break on case 1 only. The break is not present on case 2, case 3. So I save it again, compile it again, run it again. So now I put value choice as 2. So now we got the incorrect output hello from case 2, case 3, and hello from default also. So I have to put a break in each case. Okay, so now it is okay if you enter any choice. We got the correct output. Compile it, run it. Now I put the choice as 3. Now I got the correct output. There is no need to put a break on the default block, because if you enter uh, any value that is not satisfied with any of the case, it will execute the printf. So after executing the default block, automatically the switch block will exit. So there is no need to put a break statement on the default block. So here if I enter a wrong choice, it will automatically enter into the default block. Okay, that is the working of a switch case statement in C programming. So one more thing, you can use integer values and character values in a switch case. It is not possible to use a float value in switch case. You can use only expression that return integer or character in a switch. That is very important. Always keep in mind when you're using a switch case statement. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next part.